Hello students of 7th class. Today we are going to study about simple interest. This is the chapter number 10. Simple interest means the money we are going to borrow from a lender. As we could see in even the bank also, we are taking loans. That is, we are taking the loan and on that we are giving back some money. That is called the simple interest. Second, now there are some terminology about it. I'm going to explain. So before that, I have explained you simple interest and we will call it as a SI. The second term is P, that is principal. Now the principal over here is the sum, the money which lender gave us. And the third term is R. We can call it as a rate of interest or simply rate. The interest, this is the interest for the fixed period on every 100 rupees. Then come the term T, that means time period for the loan, for which sum of is brought. Sum is principal. Now the last term in this is A, that is amount. Now this amount means the sum, that is principal, and the interest as well. Now there are two formula with which we can calculate these all. First of all, we have to calculate the simple interest. To find out the simple interest, what we will do? Principal multiply with rate, rate multiply with the time, and divide by 100. When you do this formula, you will get the SI, that is simple interest. Then you have to find out the amount. Amount means the money you have to pay back to the lender. The amount you have to pay back is principal and simple interest. So you have to pay back principal as well as simple interest. To just add this up and you will get the amount. Now we better proceed to the exercise. So I'm starting with the exercise 10. Question number 1, part 1. Now we have to see what they have given us and how do we have to solve this out. In the first question, they said find simple interest and amount. They have given us the principal. Principal is 150 rupees. Your time is 4 years and rate of interest is 5% per year. Now you found that the time is also in a year and the rate is also in year. So just put the formula SI equals to P R T by 100. Now these are the variable, no need to put the multiplication sign in between. So what are these? We will write accordingly whatever is given to us. 150 is the principal, rate is 5, time is 4. Divide it with the 100. Now cut this all. 0, 0, 5, 2 ja 10. Now cut this 2 with 2. And your amount will be 15 into 2, 30 rupees. This is my simple interest. Now second thing I have to find is the amount. To find the amount, we have simply add principal and simple interest. Now principal for us is 150, whereas my simple interest is 30. So it is 180. I hope you get it with the formula how to find it out. But it's my duty to tell you all the questions given here. So the second is Principal is rupees 350. Then time is given 3.5 years. Now this is in the mixed form. So we'll convert it into the improper. That will be 7/2 year. And the rate is given 8%. PA. What do you mean by PA? P means per, A means annum. Annum is equal to the year. So no problem, we can do it same way. Simple interest. Now you know the formula, we can directly write 350 7/2 into 8 and 100 at the bottom. Now 0 with 0, 5 7 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So the amount we get is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. 49/2 is 98. So this is my simple interest. And the amount is 350. This is principal plus interest 98. And this will be 448. Coming to the third question. In the third question, principal is given to us is 620 rupees. Time is given 4 months. Now year is not given to us. This is in the month. But the rate is also given us as 8 per rupee. That means percent per month. So no problem. We can put the same thing as same way and we'll get the answer. So 620 multiplied by 4, 8 by 100. Cut the 0 with this. Sorry, 5 2 ja, 4 2 ja. So this will come in the decimal. The answer will be 198 rupees 40 paisa. And further, when we add it in an amount, it will be 620 plus 198. That is rupees 818 rupees 40 paisa. This is my simple interest and this is my amount. So till now, everything is clear to you. So move to the next page. We are at the fourth sum. Question number 1 only. Fourth sum. Here we got that the principal is rupees 3380 and the time is given to us in month, 30 months. Rate is given to us as 4.5. Convert it into the improper and we will get 9/2%. But now this rate is per annum. So we have to convert this month into year. So we'll divide it with the 12 and we can cut it with the table of 6. 5 ja, 6, 2 ja. Now we will have in year, that is 5/2 years. Now find out the simple interest. My simple interest will be 3380 5/2 9 by 2 and 100 we have to put at the downside. Now cut this. 5 2 ja 2. So after solving it, we will get this as rupees 380 rupees 25 pice. This is my simple interest. Coming to the amount, in amount, I will add the principal as well as the simple interest. And now my amount is 3 rupees 3760.25. Now we are coming to the fifth question, which is little bit different from the others. Here the problem is that I have the principal in my hand, that is 600. I have the rate in my hand, that is 10%, but this is per annum and time is not known to us. We have to find the time in the rough side. Now at the rough side, what I am going to do is I have to calculate the days. It is given July 12 to December 5. I will write all the names of the month: July, August, September, October, November and December. July is the month of 31 and we have to subtract 12 because it is starting from 12. So it will be 19. Again August is 31, September 30, October 31, November 30 and December is ending with the 5. So we'll add it and we'll get 146 days. Now to convert the 146 days, we'll divide it with the 365. As you know, there are 365 days in a year. One more interesting thing is that there are two factors of 365, that is 73 and 5. And 146 have the factors 73 and 2. So what we will do, we will divide it or cut it with the table of 73. And when we do so, we will get 2 over 5. So this is our year, 2 over 5. Now calculate the simple interest. 600, 10, 2, 5 and 100. Now I'll cut the zeros. 5 2 ja and now 6 4 ja 24. This is my simple interest and amount is 600 plus 24, 624 rupees. Now I must tell you the next question is also like the fifth one. Okay, so sixth part is, we know that principal is again given to us 850 rupees and the rate is given to us is 2.5 and we'll convert it into 5 by 2%. This is also per annum. So we have to convert the time as well. Now I will go to the rough side and find out the days. So March to August. March, April, May, June, July and August. March, it's starting from 3rd. March is of 31, subtract 3, sorry, 10. So March is of 31 days, subtract the 10 days from here, 10 March, it is 3rd December. So the days will be 21, April 30, sorry, again, April 30 days, May 31, June 30, July 31 and August 3. When we add, we will get 146 days again. So my time is 146 days divided by 365 as we did before. And when we cut it with the 73, the table of 73, you will get 2 and 5. So it will come as 2 by 5 years. Now to find out the simple interest, principal is 850, rate is 5 by 2, time is 2 by 5 and 100 downside. So this 5 will be cut with this 5, 2 we will cut with the 2, 0 with 0. Now you find it that 85 by 10, so one decimal will be there. So it will be 8 rupees 50 paisa and the amount will be 850 plus 8.50. So my amount will be 858.50. This is my simple interest and this is my amount. Now coming to the 7th part of the first question, which is the last bit of first question. Principal given to me is 225. Rate is given to me 16% per annum. And the time is given to me is 3 years, 9 months. So only 9 I have to divide with the 12, the month in a year. So I cut it with the 3, 4. So this is 3 over 4. When we cut, we'll get 3 4 are 12 plus 3, 15 over 4 years. Now we'll find out the simple interest. Simple interest is 2 to 5, 16, 15 over 4 and 100. So I cut the 4 with the 16, 4, 4 ja, 4, 25 ja. Now 25, 9 ja. So I get 9 and 15. And 9, 15 ja, 135. This is my simple interest. And the amount is 225 plus 135. And this will be 360. Hope you get it. Now I'm coming to the question number 2. Question number 2 is on what sum of money? Now sum of money means principal, and this principal is not known to us. They are saying time is given to us is 10 years. Rate is given to us is 5%. And simple interest is provided to us as rupees 1,600. Now I must tell you, we have the formula for SI, that is P.R.T by 100. This is our main formula. From this, I make a formula for P. How? This, if I take to the LHS side, so what I have to do is, I have to multiply it. SI multiply with 100, and this R and T, which is multiplied to the principal, will be divided over here. And we'll get the formula for the P. Same way we can get the formula for R. The downside we will write P and T, and for the T we will write P and R. That is the only difference. So I will start with the formula of P, that is SI into 100 over rate and time. Now SI is given to me is 1600, multiply with 100, rate is 5, time is 10. Now I will cut 1 0 with this 0, 5 with 2, and I'll get 16 2 ja 32, and I will write the 00 at the back. That means 3200 is the principal to me. This is the answer of the second question. Good. Now we are moving to the third one. The third question is find the time. Now time is not known to us. They are given us principal 2000. Amount is given to us, that is 2330. Then rate is given to us 11% per annum. Okay. For the formula of time, I need SI. As I told you in the last question, just T is here, P and R this side. So P and R is given to me, but not the SI. But I can find out the SI because I have the formula for the SI. For the SI, my formula is amount minus principal. So I will subtract 2330 minus 2000, and I will get 330. This is my simple interest. I found it. So now solve this question by putting this all. 330 into 100 over 2000 into 11. Now we will cut 1 2 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros, then 11 3 ja, and what we got is 3 by 2, and further it can be converted into 1 by 2, and this is time, so we will write in years. So we get 1.5 years. Coming to the fourth question. Now in the fourth question also they are asking about the time, but sum of money, that is P, is not given to us. They are just saying it will be double itself. That means if let P is X, then amount is 2X, and rate is given to us as 8%. To find out SI, I will subtract 2X minus X, and I'll get X. That means when we double it up, this SI and principal is going to be the same. Clear? So if it is X, the simple interest is also an X. Now I will find out the time. Formula is known to you, SI multiply by 100 over PR. SI is X, 100, X, 8. Now when we can cut X with X. 4 2 ja 4, 25 ja. So we get 25 over 2. And further when we cut it off, we will get 12 and half years. So this question is completed. Coming to the fifth question. Fifth question also is for the time. And now they have given us principal sum of money, that is 870, amount rupees 1044, rate is given to us as 2.5, that is 5 by 2%, and my SI is 1044 minus 870. It will be 471. Now we will find out the time, and formula is same. So SI, I will write 174 multiply with 100. Then my principal is 870 and the rate is 5 by 2. We will not write the by over here because already one divide sign is there. So we will take this 2 up. Okay. Now cut the 0 with the 0. 5 2 ja and 87 2 ja 174. So this is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 years. Now coming to the question number 6. Question number 6 is to find out the rate. And principal is given to us is 275 time 2 years SI 22. And the formula for the rate is SI into 100 over P into T. That means SI is 22 into 100. Principal is 275 into 2. Now I'll cut 2 with this 11, 5, 20, 5, 55. Now this 11 can cut this 55, 5 is left, 5 by 20, 4 is left. Now my answer will be 4%. So for today, we are going to wind up till here, and the further question, I'll complete this chapter, this exercise in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.